If we divide 447 by 5 in a long division method, 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we put down the 7 and it is 47. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 447 divided by 5 is 89.4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.